You don't need to have it all figured out. Just start. Lesson 1 in 20 lessons before the end of 2025. When it comes to your financial journey, you don't have to have everything. You don't need to have the whole money before you start saving. You don't need to start earning a lot before you start saving. You don't need to have so much before you start investing. You don't need to know everything before you start budgeting, right? You don't even need to attend an expensive class before you start learning. You can start by reading a simple book on money. You can start by saving 1k, saving 2k, investing 1k. There are several platforms out there to help you in your investment and your saving journey. You don't have to get the whole money right now before you start. I learned this early and I have started applying it. So I'm just here to encourage everyone out there, before you transit into 2026, realize that the difference between where you are when you want to be is actually starting. So start. See you in my next